Okay. Oh, rack and pinion pops out. Very nice. I know this, obviously. They have an order. Whatever. Oh, look, turret. I mean, I knew they had a turret, but you know. Yes, very hot, very hot. Wonder how it works. Oh, they're just bearing. What is that? Number 6? Of course. Of course, of course. Please don't kick me out, sirs. I am innocent. Brown boy trying to record some footage. Holy God. Ryan, look at this. Jesus. Beautiful. Okay, too hot. Can't contain myself. Oh, the turret. I mean, yeah. We've been seeing the turret. What else can we see? Belt run in there. Belt run in there. I already showed you that. Oh, maybe this.